Let's see if this bucket's empty. Oh no.
What? Is it empty?
Oh
man, look at those guys.
They're eating it up.
Make sure none drop in there. Take a look at them.
Oh yeah.
They're like stacked up. That's just Look at them. That's cool. Building a new honeycomb. Come on, bees. I just want to record you guys. What's wrong with you? See, look at all that white. Just look. Look at it. Look on that side. What? That is my honey.
Oh yeah. Wow, this was empty last week. Now it's all honey.
These bees are awesome. It is a good thing we got bees today. Oh, that is. Look on that other side. It's like a pollen.
I'm sorry, honey. It's a pollen.
Oh, really? I thought that would be out by now. Here.
There she is. There's the queen.
Where?
Right here, sir, to my left, by my left hand. You see the yellow dot? That's her. And she is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, sweetheart, I'm not messing with you. This one's light.
Oh, look at the other one. That one's so good.
They're working really good. Yep, they're just storing a bunch of honey.
That's heavy.
Yeah, this is the honey frame. Yeah.
Oh man, look on the other side.
Yeah, we don't have any. Oh yeah.
Super fat.
They don't sound happy, do they?
No. He's not. He's not happy.
I seriously think I might just use this one.
Yeah.
This is the Hive Beetle gel.
What is that?
Oh, that's good, buddy. That'll be a good one. Okay. Watch out, buddy. All right, top's coming down, ladies. We're not going to refill them. They got enough sugar water.
Yeah, I think that's enough of
These are good bees. Well, that was successful. Bees are doing good. We saw the queen. We didn't see any hive beetles. Very good.